Welcome to the day 3 of our account creation process. You understand, we've had a series of account created. Now, if you don't understand this particular video, but then you want to understand how to create this particular account, then you are still in the right place. But I think there are other alternatives to this particular account. You understand? That's why I said it's a series. Now, this series is a series of 6 accounts, which you can use to receive your money online, from the online space. You understand, like probably from Upwork, Fiverr, and the rest, where you must have done a job, or probably you have someone who wants to pay you, and then he's asking for your bank account. It's a foreign account you have to give him. So these are the accounts which we can use to receive our money online at any given time. So without wasting your time, we would have to be jumping right into my screen right now, where I'll share my screen with you to show you the next account that we will be creating. And then if you don't really know the list of the account, there is an introductory video that will be showing at the top right now. So you can use from that introductory video to get up to speed to what we are doing right now here. So without wasting your time, let's jump into it. But before then, please do like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, because I know you would love this particular video. So please and please, let's move into it. So the next account is a gray. I love this account so much. It is a Nigerian based account, but that gives you foreign details, to use to receive your money online. Now they have an app and the rest, but that is not all what we will be going into right now. What we'll be going into right now is how to create the account. So you leave it as individual, and then, because if you go for businesses, it's a little bit more complicated than this individual. So you leave it at individual, and then you click get a free account. I have an account already, so I hope they will still give me this account. Look at my details are already showing for this account that I have already. So let me just see temple. Okay, so you input your first name, you put your middle name. You understand? Let's see, because I would want to show you an in-depth. Okay, your phone number, you input your phone number here. I have, okay, let's use this account and see. For the email, no, because I've used this before. This is just an explanatory class, so I would use this email. So input your email. Okay, affiliate marketing premium, and then your password. Now once you're done with this phase, referral code, that is not necessary. You understand, it's really not necessary for that. And then enter. Okay, then you tap I agree, and then you create an account. Registration successful. Now they will send an OTP to your email. Now, like I said in the previous video, we are doing it from the highest or the hardest to the easiest. Now let's see if our email has arrived or not. 299,258. Verify your account. Okay, after that you go for your gender, male, occupation, self-employed, country, of course, Nigeria. This is an African based app, you understand, but it's owned by a Nigerian actually, but it's an African based app, where it's only for Africans actually, because most Africa, Well, of course, it's Africans that have this issue of this kind of account issue. So city Kaduna, you put your postal code. Why it mine is showing like, because I have an account already before with them, so that is why it is showing like this, you understand? So that is it. Your date of birth, you select your date of birth. Okay, September. Yep. And then this utility bill. Now this utility bill is your NEPA bill or electricity bill, you understand? So let's see if I have one here, which I doubt I have right now, you understand? This is where okay, let's see documents, pictures, or let's see if I have a utility bill here. Oh, I don't have one here. That is the problem. Let me see if this will work. Continue. Please choose the option. What will you use your gray account for? Receive money from family and friends. Receive payment for freelancing. Like I said, this account is just for the purpose of showing you guys. So continue. So please and please, before you create this account, you understand, you must need your utility bill and your passport or NIN, you understand? So but the burst I use is my NIN, you understand? NIN, and then you do your live verification, your live scanning and the rest. So this particular one requires you doing it with your phone mostly. Now upload the document. Let's upload the document and then record a selfie. Okay, now this it said camera access denied. That is why I said this particular video you have to create it from your phone, where you just do your biometrics and then that is all. After your biometrics, the rest in this video is finished. So once you, but then the main details that I will always tell you again is that your utility bill not up to 3 months, and then you must have your NIN or voters card, you understand? These are the two details you would need, and then you are good to go. So please and please, I'll be leaving you here at this point because you have to use your phone to run this part, but then the rest is basic things for you to do that you can do by yourself. So this is it. Please and please, I know if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, so that when we create more accounts like this or more videos like this, you will get them firsthand. Until we see again, do have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you.